Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining about DNS, Telnet and SSH simulation for name resolution and remote access using Cisco Packet Tracer. First, I will explain the components used. In this network, I have used two PCs. First, you have to go to the end devices below. There you will see the PCs written here and I will be using two of them. Next, I have used switch that you can find in the network devices, and the next one after the router I have used 2960 as the switch. The next I have used is the router. I have used 2901 as the router, and the server is also along with the PC only, and I have used one server. So total of 5 components I have used: 2 PCs, 1 switch, 1 server and 1 router, and I will be connecting them using the copper straight through wire, the second option, the wires. And now I will be connecting them in a switch centric star topology. So I will start from the router, gigabyte internet 0/0, and connect it to the switch with fast ethernet 01. From server fast ethernet 0, I will connect to this switch with fast ethernet 02, PC 0, fast ethernet 0 connected to switch with fast ethernet 03, PC 1 connected to fast ethernet 0 to switch with fast ethernet 04. Now our topology is completed. This is a star topology that is focused on the switch. The switch allows all devices like PCs, server and the router to communicate within the same LAN. Now as you can see the green triangles here, it means that the connection is active. The red one, it means that it is not active. So we will do the configuration for it to make it active. Now the next I will be doing is the configuring static IP addresses for all the devices. Open PC0, go to desktop, IP configuration, and write in IPv4 address 192.168.1.20. Subnet mask will come automatically. In the default gateway, type 192.168.1.1. In the DNS server, type 192.168.1.10. And the configuration for the PC is done. PC0 is done. PC1, go to desktop, IP configuration. In IPv4 address, type 192.168.1.30. Subnet will come automatically. In default gateway, type 192.168.1.1. DNS server 192.168.1.10. PC1 is also done. Now go to server PT. I will be changing its name here from server 0 to DNS server, so that we can directly understand what is this going to be changed as. Now go to the services. In the list, look for DNS. Here it will be off, so you need to on it. In the name, write r1.com. In the address, type 192.168.1.1 and make sure that in the type the record is a record. After doing all of this, click on add and now you have the record. This r1.com that the name I have used will be used for the name resolution, the topic that we are focusing on. So what it means is that we will be using a human made name in place of the IP address because it is difficult for us to remember all the IP address. So we will be using a name to call for the IP address because names are more easier to remember. So I have used the name here r1.com. With that, we will be doing the name resolution and going to access our router remotely. And now we will be doing the IP configuration for the server. Go to IP configuration and now write the IPv4 address. Type 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask will come automatically. In default gateway, type 192.168.1.1. In DNS server, type 192.168.1.10. Now our IP configuration for DNS server is done. Next, now we will be doing the router configuration. Go to CLI. If we get this dialog asking for the initial configuration dialog, write no and enter. Enter again. And now when you are seeing router here, it means that you are ready for to write the configuration. Enter, enable, configure, terminal, enter, hostname r1, interface g0/0, address 192.168.1.1 space 255.255.255.0. Enter. Write IP in front of the address. Enter. Next write no shutdown. Next exit. Write IP domain hyphen name space write mynet.com. Next username admin privilege 15 secret admin 123. Write next crypto key generate RSA and enter. Here it will be asking how many bytes in the modulus you want to write. Enter 1024. After writing it, click enter. Next write service password hyphen encryption. Enter. Enable secret class. Now we will be writing for the Telnet and SSH the password line vty04 login local, enter transport input all, exit and write memory. Now as you can see that it is green now in the router connection. It means that now this is also active and our configuration is done. As you can see, it's showing R1 hash here. It means the configuration is completed. Now we will be checking if the DNS, Telnet and SSH is working and it is enabled. So let's go to PC0, go to desktop, go to command prompt and write ping r1.com. You can also write the IP address directly. So let's write it first that, and then we will try for the name resolution 192.168.1.1. Let's see what it shows. As you can see, we had sent 4 packets, received 4, lost 4, didn't lost any of them. So yes, the DNS is working. Okay, now we will do the ping again with the name resolution. If it's working with the name resolution or not, let's check that. R1 r1.com. Enter. Yes, it's working with the name resolution also. So yes, our DNS is working. And as you know, we have 2 PCs. So I checked for DNS in the one. Let's see from the other PC for the Telnet and SSH. Select PC1, go to desktop, command prompt, and now we will write the telnet, write the name of name resolution command r1.com and enter. Here it is asking for the username, so our username will be admin and the password will be admin123. And if you are seeing r1 hash here, so it means that it from the PC1 our router has been connected to access it remotely. So whatever code you want to write here, you can write it directly from here. For now I'm writing exit because I don't want to access from the remotely write any code, so I will exit it. Now it's back to the PC configuration command prompt and I'm not using the remote router here. So as you know that telnet is insecure connection because of it we don't use it nowadays because it makes our whatever we are doing visible to the other. Because of that the username here is also visible, that is not supposed to be. Password is hidden but it is also like can be accessed and cracked easily, so we don't use it nowadays. So next I will be checking for the SSH space -l admin r1.com. It's asking for the password. The password will be the same, admin123. Enter. Now you can again see we have that r1 hash coming here. So it means the router has been connected to use from the PC1 remotely. So we can also like do any command, we can give any command from here. But as I don't want to do anything, I will just exit from here. Now we are back to the command prompt of PC1. Now we know, and as we can see that the telnet and the SSH both is working and we can easily remote access the router from any of the PCs. I have done from PC1 but it can be done from any. So yes, our project is done for the DNS, Telnet and SSH simulation using Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you.